Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Screen Canvas. So once you've installed the extension, you just want to come to the extension button here. Once you click it, it would appear here. You could click this to pin it to the top, and then you could basically activate it by clicking here, and you see the controls appear here. If you want to turn it off, you could click this to turn it off and click this to make it show up again. If you've installed the extension before loading this page, you want to reload the page. So the controls would appear after you've reloaded it once. All right, so here are some of the things that you could do with the extension. You could draw by clicking on the pencil, and you basically can highlight anything by drawing this, and it stays where you've drawn, and you could scroll and it stays there. You could also click it and move it. You could also click it and delete it. At the same time, you can highlight stuff. So if you click on highlight, I could come here to highlight this text. And once I highlight it, I could add a note to say, come back to read this again. And once I do that, it's just going to stay there, and I could go through the page and come back to the highlight and click, and the note appears. So this is really good for keeping note of stuff that you might have observed while scrolling through a page. You could delete the highlight and it all goes. You can modify the colors. So if you want to highlight in a different color, you could click this, and if I just escape that, and I can come back here to highlight in a different color, right? And the note still appears, but I'm just gonna delete that. You can also change the line width for the drawings. You can, once you highlight stuff and you draw stuff, you can so let me just draw something else elsewhere. You can essentially decide to hide all of them by doing this, and then you can decide to show them again by doing this, and you can delete them. You can delete all of them by clicking this, or you can delete individual, as I've shown you before.